Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Now, as I promised in the last video, because we didn't get to it after Cars and Coffee, today I'm going to be doing those two quick mods. They're really simple. One, we're going to be installing hood props under the hood of the car, and I also have new covers, door handle covers. They're black carbon fiber. They're cheap ones off Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. They're like 15 bucks. But anyways, that's what we're doing today, guys. Like I said, there are two quick mods. I'm at my friend's house. He's gonna help me do the hood rods, especially just because you kind of need two people because you don't actually use the stock prop anymore. So it'd be nice to have someone to help hold the hood up so it doesn't come crashing down on your head while you're trying to do it. But anyways, that's what we're doing today, guys. So in a minute, I'm waiting for my friend to come back out, and then we'll get started. Okay guys, so to do the hood props, you're going to need a ratchet with a 14mm bolt. It's actually a little bit big for the bolts that they provide you with, but it's kind of also the best fitment. So you need about a 14mm. And yeah, here's one of the hood props. Obviously there's two. They come wrapped up. They're actually packaged really nicely. Like I said, I'll have a link below. But here's a basic mock-up. So once again, this is why I say you want to get a friend to help you, because the stock arm just needs to fold away, because as you can see, there's no way you're going to close it. So, but basically, guys, there's a little hole on your hood, and the top end kind of goes up there like so, and then you want to use on the frame here the bigger hole, and then you bolt it up from the bottom. There's washers, you tighten it down, and then these also open up the hood hydraulically and hold it. And once it's open, it should open a little bit higher than this height. This is kind of like the first position. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and install these in a minute, and then we'll do the door handle covers, which should take about 30 seconds or just stick on. But anyways, let's get another quick setup and we'll get to the install. Okay guys, so I'm going to secure the top half first. Pretty easy, like I said, bolt right in there. You put the washer on, and then you get your nut here. I would hand tighten it at first, and then go back afterwards with the ratchet or whatever, just to make sure it's tightened down so it doesn't go anywhere. Also, you want to line it up so it actually turns. Okay, that's as far as I'll hand tighten, but we'll come back to that. I just want to get it kind of secured there. And then, if my helper wouldn't mind lowering the hood a little bit. Okay. Oh. Okay, then like I said, you pretty much want to do the same thing on the bottom. Get your bolt, put the washer over top, and then kind of feel underneath, line it up, and then basically bolt it down. Again, hand tighten it at first, make sure everything lines up, and then you can come back later and actually tighten it with the ratchet. Okay guys, one small thing to note, I mentioned you need about a 14mm bolt for the bottom there, but for the top here, it's your standard 10mm. Now everyone knows the jokes, so you're in the engine bay, so please try not to drop your 10mm somewhere down there, because that's the worst thing that can happen to any car person. Alright guys, so we've run into a little bit of a snag. The problem is, this is the hole that you need to mount the bottom half of the hood rods to, but unfortunately the washers that they provide you with the kit aren't actually big enough to hold anything in there. So as soon as I went to bolt it in, lift it up a little bit, and the entire bolt came right out. So currently we're trying to find a bigger washer, something that'll actually hold up under here and won't let it pop out, because the only other option at that point is trying to mount it on this hole a little bit more forward. The bolt fits in and the washer won't pop out. The only problem is the hood only opens about this height, so you can't access anything except like the hood latch. So while we're waiting for the washer to try to find a bigger washer, if we can't find one now, I'll finish this mod off tomorrow at home once I get bigger ones. But like I said, the other part of this video is putting door covers on. Now, like I said, they are literally stick-on ones. As you can see them here, there's a 3M tape on the back, so you just take the strip off. So I'm just going to quickly figure out which one is for which door, and then we'll go ahead and stick them on. Alright guys, so here's the door covers. As you can see, they just kind of sit over. Now, don't worry, I do have the little back piece, but I'm going to start at the front, because you want to make sure you line it up well. And now, the easiest way I can tell to line it up is to line up, there's a little hole, as you can see here, built in, because this has a keyless entry system, so you can push this button to lock and unlock the car. So the easiest way I found when I kind of dry fitted them the other day to make sure they work is that you want to line up this hole perfectly over the button so that you can easily access it like you can here. And then kind of figure out where it goes, take the backing off and stick it on, and then the back piece should line right up. Of course, before you do it, also line it up there and make sure that it opens without catching anything. So just open a little bit, you can see it's not catching, so then we can go ahead and stick it on. Okay, so there you go. As you can see, it's now on. Then the good thing is, once again, you can see there's no catching on the back. You see a little bit of chrome when you pull it out. Don't worry. Like I said, I'm going to put the back piece on. But yeah, you just go ahead and line it up, stick it on. I like to push it down a little bit and kind of rub it so you know it sticks evenly. And the good thing is, because my car, like I said, has a keyless entry system, it only covers the front, so you can still stick your hand in the back and you have full access to the strip on the back that also unlocks the car. So anyways, guys, that's the process. I'm going to go finish up the rest of the doors, and then I'll show you the car once it's completed. Okay guys, so as you can see, the door handles are on, sort of. The hilarious part is the back doors are completely fine, but on the front doors, as you can see, there's the keyhole on there for the actual key in case your battery dies, and I have the piece here that has the hole. Problem is, it's the wrong side. Now, because I got these just online from Amazon cheaply, I think they were from China, so these are definitely made for a right-hand drive car. Because if we flip over to the passenger side real quick, which would be the driver's side, of course, on a right-hand drive car, it fits perfectly. But only problem is, like I said, there's no keyhole here. So I'm going to keep them as is for now with the one bit of chrome exposed. I'm going to contact the company, see if I can try to get the proper side. But here's what the finished product looks like. Like I said, the back handles are completely fine. So bye-bye chrome for a little bit. As you can see, it's the carbon fiber. It's not real. It's pretty much fake carbon fiber over plastic, but they still look cool. But yeah. And I think we've maybe solved the washer issue. We found some bigger ones, so we're going to go ahead and see if they fit on there, and then we'll wrap up the video. Alright guys, so the hood rod install is finished. Those bigger washers that we found work perfectly. There's no chance they're both going to come out now. Everything's tightened down. Now, one thing to note, at first it might seem like it's a little bit wobbly, but don't worry, the things aren't breaking. It's just that initial close is a little bit rough because they are brand new, but once you open and close them a couple times, they work. It's a lot better, like as I said, than the stock one, because now I don't have to worry about holding it, or don't have to worry about anything falling over. There's still lots of room to access. As you can see, the hood opens pretty high. So yeah, that's all done there. So like I said, pretty easy install. Just get someone to help you hold the hood for the initial part. That whole process probably took about 5 minutes once we got to it. And then back to the side for a second. So you can see, like I said, they sent me the wrong ones. They clearly sent me a left-hand driver's door one, but just for now, just to get them on so the kind of look is almost complete, I just had to go ahead and just stick on all the pieces. The good thing is, like I said, they're just 3M tape, so if I can get the proper ones, I'll just go ahead and pull these ones off, put the right ones back on. But yeah, so the car is almost now fully de-chromed. We still have this piece on the mirror and around the edge of the doors, which will get done pretty soon. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video, guys. So, oh wait, hang on. Before we go, I mentioned my friend's Tesla is over here. Let's go have a quick look at this thing. I drove it last summer when he took delivery. He's now taken off the aerodynamic covers. I think those rims make the car look a whole lot better. So he's going to be rocking those for the summer. But yeah, the Tesla Model 3, hopefully at some point here soon, he'll let me get back in the car to do more of like an actual driving review of it. We're trying to work it out. But yeah, there we go. Tesla Model 3. It's nice. Hopefully something coming soon. But yeah, guys, like I said, that's going to do it for this video. We're going to go inside and eat now because I'm really hungry. But yeah, the car's looking better and better every day. So once again, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit the subscribe button down below. All my social media stuff is down there as well. There's my friend Eric. Shout out to him for helping me. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.